Hey guys, I've 3D printed something that will help you play on your own or do tests on your new builds, and it's just a more convenient way to, launch two Beyblades at the same time. You got the spots for two launchers, which you can just plug in your ripcords on and try and pull the ripcords at the same time. To test it out, we have Dronza and we have Horn Rhino. Let's see if we can pull this. So that was a little awkward to pull, but thankfully it does come with a ripcord attachment, which allows you to basically join the two ripcords together and pull it, hopefully at the same time with the same power. You see, it's nice and snug. Let's give it a try and see if it's gonna make it worth it. We got the same base. Let's see if it's actually gonna be good. I would definitely recommend this, and it just makes testing, playing easier. You even got an extreme finish right there.